Hey guys, I just wanted to go over a couple of these practice problems for you in case you have a little trouble since I'm not in class today. So what I'm really asking you to do for these practice problems is I'm asking you to look at these two triangles, so triangle QCD and triangle ECD, and in the picture you're given some information about the triangles, and you can look at them and you should know some information based off of some of our properties. And I want to know, what one more piece of information would you need to know to say that the triangles are congruent by, in this case, angle side angle. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to look and I see that I have an angle pair right here that's congruent. Even though one of these swoops is bigger than the other, it doesn't mean one's bigger than the other. Since there's just one in each angle, it means those angles are congruent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out one of my A's because I have one pair of angles, so I'm one step closer to saying these triangles are congruent by angle side angle. Also, because of the reflexive property, I know that in both triangles, CD is congruent to itself. So I also have a pair of sides that are congruent. And I'm going to break the triangles up. So you can see the pairs of sides, one pair of angles. And in order for it to be angle side angle, I need the other angle that the side is between. So this side here is between the angle that I was given and also this angle. Same thing here. So over on the picture, that's these two angles. And again, I'm using two swoops so I can show they're congruent to each other, but not the ones that we were looking at before. So in order to say these two triangles are congruent by angle side angle, I would also need to know that angle QCD was congruent to angle ECD. And that's my answer. So let me just erase some of this here, and I'll do one more example for you, and then I'll let you practice on your own. Let's try this one. Yeah, I want to try a different one. So let's do an angle side one. So in this picture, I want to show the two triangles are congruent by angle side. And right now I have one pair of angles congruent, the ones with the two red swoops. So I'm going to cross out my first A. And remember again, since both triangles have the same side, since they're pushed together, the reflexive property tells us that segment DC is congruent to itself. So I have my pair of sides. So in order to say angle side about these two triangles, I need to know that one more pair of angles is congruent. And since it's not angle side angle, I want to choose the pair of angles that this side is not between. So this side is between the two angles that I already know, and then these two angles down here formed at vertex C. So to do angle side, I'm going to choose and say that angle E must be congruent to angle T. So if I knew that angle E was congruent to angle T, then I would have angle side. So I hope this helps a little bit. I'm sorry I couldn't be in class. I had to go away. If you have any questions, make sure you write them down, and I can always answer those questions in class when I see you on Tuesday. So good luck to you.